In this episode, we are going to connect our Flutter project or Flutter app with Firebase. So here I have created a blank Flutter project and you see our counter is working cool. So now I will go to Firebase console and I will create a new project and I will name it Firebase and continue and hit continue, and I will select my default account for Google Analytics. So this will create your Firebase project. So once it is done, we have to install Firebase CLI. So I will go to the Firebase documentation, and so here you have to select your operating system. So mine is macOS. I will go with this, and I will select npm, and of course for this you have to install Node.js as well, and copy the command and paste it in your terminal and make sure you are a super user. Once it is done, come over to the documentation, and now we have to log in our Firebase account to our project. So come to the terminal in your project and paste it, Firebase login. So now I'm already logged in. If I wasn't, then it will ask me for the credentials. So that is good. Now we have to activate our Flutter CLI. So copy this and paste it right here. So this will activate your Flutter Fire CLI so you could run the other commands. So now it is activated successfully. After that, we have to choose which project of the Firebase we are going to connect with this application. So now it will fetch all the available Firebase projects from our account and it will show it here. So I have created Firebase, I think. So yes, so this is the second one. It is Firebase. I will select this project, and here it will show for which platform you are going to connect or you're going to build this application. So this app will be for all of the platforms, Android, iOS, macOS. So I will choose all of them. If you are specifically developing for a specific device or platform, choose the preferred platform or operating system you're working for. So I will hit enter, and now it will register all the devices to this project. And I have to press yes to continue, and now I'm done. So now if you come to the left folder, I got a Firebase options.dart here, but here I have an error in my import, and it says that the Firebase core is not available. So we have to install that. So for that we are going to copy the Flutter Firebase core command, and I'm going to paste it here. And this command will install the Firebase core. So if we need to add Firebase authentication and Firebase storage, we have to install those libraries or packages as well. So head towards the pubspec.yaml file, and inside your dependencies, hit enter and say Firebase and then auth. So this will install the Firebase auth, the latest version. If I'm going to use Firebase storage, so it will just show all of those available options that I have. So now I'm going to need storage. So now if I hit git pub, it will get installed all the dependencies that I'm going to need. This was pretty much everything for this video. Thank you for watching.